I figured before I cleaned all this mess up, moved it back into the garage, I'd finish up this whole Victorinox I got the other day at the flea market, thrift store. I've started it out, finished up the 100 200s at 19 degrees. I'm going to send it down to a friend of mine who has a fish house in Savannah, Georgia, Charlie Russo. He skins a lot of fish. Yesterday, I think I told you, or the day before, just make a nice fillet knife, but I don't know what I was thinking. It'd make a nice skinning knife because it's long and thin. Fillet knives don't have to be long and thin, but it'd make an excellent skinner. So that's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to send it down to him for a skinning knife once I get it finished up. I'll show you what it looks like in a little while. Victorinox. What are you barking, little carnivore? I hear you over there barking. What's the matter? You starving to death, little carnivore? I'm finishing up on the 600s now. Market glass. Ceramics. And a big old jack. Look at him going in. He's been outside in the grass where it's warm and nice today. He changed his mind. He's going to sit right there. See him? He's hanging out right there for a while. This one's got the bad crack in it right there, is it? You got to be kind of gentle with it. 1200 side. Coarse and fine ceramics. I guess that's enough. You've seen it all before. I'll show you the finished thing in a few minutes. Find it all, but some wanted to know what this was in one of my previous videos. It's a double-sided leather strop. Many people sell them. I got them from DLT or DLT, Bark River. It's got black Bark River compound on this side, white Bark River compound on this side. This is a little coarser, this is a little finer. It comes in green. I just never fell in love with the green. When I get through with all my knives, kitchen knives, swords, machetes, axes, I strop them on this leather strop. This is called stropping. I do it 10 or 15 times per side, then I progress down to 10 and then 5 and then 3 and then 2 and then 1. Several times at 1. But don't ask me why I do it that way, I just do it that way. Now them really fancy shiny pocket knives, I don't use it on pocket knives, but I use it on all my serrated knives after I finish sharpening them to clean up the serrations a little bit and give them a little luster. Does a good job on serrated knives. I also use this edge right here. If this is serrated, you see I can run the serrations right down through there, and it does a good job on them after they're pretty sharp. This knife might be in Savannah by Wednesday. If my buddy's got any fish going down that way this week. I just put it on a fish truck. I don't mail it. I just take it over to my buddy George where I was the other day. He's got stuff going to Russo all the time. We just stick it in a box of fish with a note on it. Say knife included. Russo Seafood, Savannah, Georgia. You ought to check it out. It's a nice place. Got a lot of nice seafood. Been there a long time. Family owned. Two brothers owned. The father and mother started. Two brothers owned it, and then one brother, George, is taking it all over now. Charlie Russo is his name. His brother's got a big fish cleaning, crab cleaning, all kinds of videos on YouTube. I'll put a link to it when I finish this video up. You've seen it before, because I did a clip on it 6 or 7 in June, I think, or July. He sells knives and recipes and CDs on how to do this and how to do that. That's Charlie's brother I'm talking about. I don't know, for some reason I've gone brain dead on his name. But it'll come to me in a little while. The leather strop. All kinds of compounds out. Everybody's got a theory on each kind of compound. Long ago, I used to use I can't remember who made it. It's green. Like this. Oops. It's not bad. This one's kind of old. I have another brand new one. I bought 2 at the same time. Some people swear by this one. I just never fell in love with it due to the size and no handle. But you can buy this plain kind of green compound and put it on a clean, leather strop if you like it, if you're into the green compound. It works pretty good. I don't think I got any paper down here. I think we cut all the paper up yesterday. Here's a little teeny piece. I'll give you an idea what it's like. 19 degrees. I don't normally do knives at 19. I usually do them between 21 and 22. Sometimes 20. Very seldom do I drop below 20. Except on skinny knives. She's ready to. No effort at all. Bad taquito. I'll clean her up and put her in a sheath, and down the road she'll go. You see, the compound comes in black and white. You just take it, you rub it on like this, kind of firm, over the whole strop. And if you're going to use the white side, you do the same thing to the white. And like I said, lots of people sell this compound. There's all different kinds and formulas and whatever. I just like the Bark River. I started out with it. Been using it a couple, 3 or 4 years, maybe longer. Before I had a wicked edge, I used to use, Japanese water stones, Norton water stones, sharpen all my knives on water stones. But I always finished them off on a strop, just like the barber used to have in the barber shop. Except it was on a leather pole underneath the seat. He'd grab hold of it and use his razor like this, stropping the razor. Same principle, just a different setup for it. Hello. I'm going to try 2 cameras on this last part, see if you can see this thing any better. This is with my Canon camera, which I very seldom ever use. It's my still camera, but it's got a little video thing on it.